tweeters, mid-range, and mid-bass.
Tweeters, mids, and mid-bass.
Yeah.
And each one of those is powering a sub.
Yes. Sundown 8000.1. Saturday I gave demos all day.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I can damn sure see that. Let's take a look at the rest, what you got going on back here.
Oh.
You're going to show me your amps and stuff.
Yeah. Let me shut this off.
All right. That is a cool setup.
Thank you. I couldn't hear. I think I got it.
I'm going to tell you guys, this guy right here does really clean work. If it ain't really clean, he's not done with it yet.
Waiting on fuses.
Waiting on fuses.
It says tweeters, mid-range, and mid-bass.
Tweeters, mids, and mid-bass.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that's nice.
Thank you.
That looks very nice. That looks really good. That's what's up, man. So this is your speakers back here, right? Your 6?
Yes.
So you got one, each one of these represents a sub.
Yes.
And each one of those is powering a sub.
Yes. Sundown 8000.1.
So you've got 6 Sundown 8,000 watts. Sundown 8,000 watt
6
amps.
8000 Sundowns, yes.
That is sweet, dude.
Thank you.
That is super sweet. And what are you doing for batteries?
Those 4 there.
4 kinetics?
4 across there, and then the one under the hood.
What about alternator?
Right now it's a 250. It needs upgraded.
So you've just got a single 250?
Yeah, I'll
Is it one of the ones that makes 250 down by idle?
Yeah.
Or one that you have to have it up to like 2K to get it?
I bring it up to 2K because it probably makes a full 250 at 2K.
That looks nice. And you're still waiting. You're waiting on fuses? Is that what you said?
Yeah, for these right here.
Oh, yeah. To get your mids and highs?
Yeah, I think I'm going to screw them right here and then come off the buses up to the fuses, then up to the, yeah.
I love how clean your work is, man.
Thank you.
Oh, let me get a shot of your.
I'll poster that too.
Huh?
I'll poster that.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be all black and yeah.
Poster it.
So you're running 6 American bass. Are these 15s or 18s?
Yeah,
15s.
X Max.
15 X Max. And what are you tuned at right now? Do you know?
42.
42.
As soon as I found that out, I went and gain matched all the amps right at 42. I don't have any speakers yet. Waiting on those.
No front stage. We're just subwoofers.
5 1/4s in the dash, and the tweeters in the dash.
Just the important parts are in here right now.
They're wired.
Just no power running
waiting
to
on
them.
power, and I ordered some speakers.
That's sexy, dude.
Thank you.